If you are struggling with mathematics and you are in the basic class, go to my YouTube. I have a playlist for year 3, that is just 3. Go there. I'll drop the link on the comment section. Go there and learn, because I explain questions gradually on the playlist. Now let's take these 3 questions. We're asked to simplify 4p plus 60 minus what? 2p minus 5t. Now, question 1, 4p plus 60 minus 2p minus 5t. Now, collect like terms based on the alphabet. So I have 4p minus 2p. The sign will not change because this is algebra. You are not having the equality sign there. Then I'll bring down plus 6t, then minus 5t. So I've collected like terms based on their alphabet. Now 4p take away 2p will give me what? 2p. Then 6t take away 5t will give me 1t. That is plus 1t. Or you can write your answer as 2p plus t. This is correct. This is what? Correct. Hope you understand solution to question 2. Now let's solve question hope you understand this is solution to question 1. Let's solve question 2. Now question 2, this is a triangle. Now I want you to know that one of the properties of a triangle says that the sum of angles in a triangle is what? 180 degrees. That is question 2. The sum of d plus 2d plus 3d is equal to what? 180. Now d plus 2d plus 3d will give us what? 6d is equal to what? 180. Because d is having what? An invisible one. So this is just telling you 1d plus 2d plus 3d is equal to what? 180. Which will give you what? 6d is equal to 180. Now to get the value of d, we're going to divide both sides with the number attached to d, that is the coefficient of d. And the number attached to d is 6. So we divide there with 6, we divide there with 6. This will cancel out. I'm left with what? D on the left hand side of the equation is equal to 180 divided 6 is 30. So the value of our d is 30. That is why if you have 30 here, 2 times 30 is 60. 3 times 30 is what? 90. 90 plus 60 plus 30 will give us 180 degrees. So let's do question 3. Question 3, this is angle on a straight line. And one of the properties of angles says that angles on a straight line, that the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. That is the sum of this, and this is equal to 180 degrees. So I'm going to have y plus 35 plus 65 is equal to 180 for angle on a straight line. Then this is y plus 35 plus 65 gives us what? 100 is equal to what? 180. To get the value of y, I'll just subtract both sides. I'll just subtract 100 from both sides. Now plus 100 will cancel out minus 100. I'm left with y on the left hand side. Now 180 take away 100 will give me what? 80 as my answer. So if I add 80 here plus 35 plus 65, it will give me what? 180 degrees. Please like and share. Stay tuned for more of my